Greetings everyone, welcome back to another video. Just checking in with a little update on the van build. So in the last video I did all the Celotex insulation. So now I've started doing the thermo wraps, creating the vapor barrier. My girlfriend Shannon helped me do this the other day. We did the main panels. So today I just got the roof to finish off and a few edge bits. And then if I got time I might start measuring up for the air vent as well. But we'll see how we get on. So yeah, this is what we've done so far. Stuck all this on in one sheet. I bought the wider roll of the stuff so you get better coverage with that. It just makes it a lot easier as well. So stuck all that on using a contact adhesive, and then took this seal off and just trimmed around the edge, popped it back on. Yeah, got a really neat finish, so really happy with that. So once all the thermo wraps on, I'm going to stick the ply lining kit back on top of that. And then eventually we'll be putting cladding over the ply lining. Got a festival coming up in like 2 weeks, I think. So yeah, we need to kind of get the van up to a sleepable standard by then. So yeah, we're just concentrating on getting it all insulated, get the ply back on, hopefully get the floor done this week as well. So yeah, at least the van will be warm enough to sleep in. So I got the thermo wrap on the roof. I forgot to time lapse it, but good job I didn't really, because it's a bit of a mission on my own getting that one big sheet up there. But yeah, got it up, it's all stuck down nice, and I've done around the edges as well. So yeah, it's just that front section left to do now. So once I get the vent in, we can get that finished off. So I've sealed up all the joins with foil tape to make sure we get a nice good seal and get that good vapor barrier.